How to transfer USDT funding to spot on Bybit. So if you want to transfer USDT from funding to spot on Bybit, let me show you step by step how to do it. First off, after you open up the Bybit app like this, now you go to your asset at the bottom. So after you go to the assets, so now you tap on this transfer button. So under the transfer, so at the top as you can see, now here is my funding and here is unified trading account. So the unified trading account is the default spot account that you used to know. So in the recent time, like in this recent update, Bybit has changed the name to unified trading account instead of the spot account. So now you cannot be able to see the spot even if you tap on the option. So as you can see now, there is no spot, it is only unified trading account. That's the spot trading account you know in the past. So after you select this unified in the bottom and the funding at the top, then you tap on this coin button. So here you choose this USDT. After you choose the USDT in this option, now you specify the amount of the USDT you want to transfer. So if you want to transfer all of your USDT from the spot from the funding to spot, you tap on this max button. Or if you want, you can just specify the amount in this option. After you specify the amount, if you have available USDT in the funding, so it will give you this transfer, but this confirm button will be active. So as can see now, I got this error which says insufficient available balance, please try again or please enter again. Because I don't have the USDT in my funding account, that's why it just give me this error. But if you have the USDT in your funding account, this confirmation button will be active for you. After you tap on the confirm button, so from there you transfer your USDT from the funding to your spot account, and that's it. If this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next one.